Gave her a bit of a trim so you can see everything. So, shoulder set back here. We had a couple that were a little steeper. Hers are better than her black sister. So here to here, good return of upper arm, well set under, back here, under her withers. This here is decent angle. I don't think it's too much. She stands good on it. I usually don't have over-angulated dogs, so I think she's going to be fine. Tail set has a croup, not much of one, which should make both sides of the coin happy. Okay. Good length of leg, elbow right to here. Okay, so 50-50. On this side, from markings will give you a different illusion of having more angle because of the white, but decent width all the way through. Not exceedingly short hocks, but average. Again, decent forechest, good return of upper arm, well placed shoulders for her age, really good. Okay, that's her. I think she's got good length. Soft expression, good head planes, sweet puppy, great bite. Everything at this point looks decent. Who knows what the future will hold. Good baby though. Blink. Stand up. Markings on the rear. Dark here. Might throw them off just a little bit, but I think to finish her it'll be easy. Performance, that's all up to you. Get her moving again. She just spent quite a bit of time on the grooming table. Well, housebroken. Easy. Yay. Let's try again. Yay, good girl. Stand. Pretty girl. Yay. Here's my good girl. Yes, you are. You're the girl. There's the rest of the gang. There's the farm, the training hall, the sheep, all the work we do. Now you know where she lives. What pretty babies. Yes, you are.